I'm not sure if I'll get it done today, but I'm going to take all of this gubbins in here out. That might mean having to disconnect the steering column from within the engine bay as well. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at it yet, but we're going to start with this. So this came off quite easily. Here it is. So this here just slides over the steering column. We had 3 bolts in here holding it down, 1, 2 and 3. We had 3 bolts over here holding it. The bottom one, this is for me for later on, had this on it for the dashboard. And then we had these bars as well, so this one was connected up here. And these two, which I'd taken off previously in a different video, and I don't know where they go now. Still, we got this out, so let's take it out and clean it up. Take the plastic bit off. Yeah, so we can clean this up, take the plastic bit off, see what it looks like, and if we can just give it a paint. It's the winter months, so the light's going quite quickly. I don't know how well you can see all of this, but basically I've taken it all apart, I've cleaned it off as best I can, you know, with a wire wheel. I then put rust converter on. Tomorrow I'll give it a paint. Sorry for the light here, but that's all been painted now and put back together, except I've managed to put the clutch and the bonnet release on backwards. I need to switch those around, and I can put this in storage now until I need it. But I think in order to store it sensibly, I'm going to take this bit apart from here again, just so that it's a bit more of an easy shape to store. But we'll move on to something else now. So I haven't done much this week. I've been trying to get the steering column off. But the only thing I've managed to do so far is remove these 3 pinch bolts. 2 from up here and 1 from down here. I then have been trying to get these apart and maybe get a screwdriver in there to pry them apart a bit or something, but I'm not getting any real movement, and I'm sort of struggling a little bit, so not wishing to break it or anything. I'm being very cautious, and I'll just keep that going slowly. In the meantime, I've got a package that's arrived. Here's one bit, here's the other bit, and I'm going to put that together now, and then we'll take a look at what I've got. So I've just got this together. It's taken a bit of time, but it's all there now. So that, you know, everything works. I haven't actually looked at lowering it yet, but I presume it's just there. Okay. I think I might need to tighten this up. Right, but so we have a crane. The plan is, see, I'm a bit worried about how high I need to get it, right? But the plan is, I'm going to move the other cars out of the way as I have done today, and I'm going to turn. It's on wheels. So the plan is to move those out of the way, and then turn the TR7 so that it comes onto the engine stand over here. okay, at that angle, because that's where I have the most room. Okay, and then take the engine out from there and move the car back. Alright, so that's the plan. I mean, I'll need to clear all this stuff off the back of the car and inside the car and everything like that, but I'm hoping that's going to get the engine out. So that's my project for this weekend, and I'm giving myself the whole weekend to try and do it. I haven't done this before. I've got most of the front of the engine out, you know, all the spare bits. In fact, I think I might even, in order to fit the rear eye, the lift-in eye, I might actually need to put the inlet manifold back on, but we'll see. So and I need to obviously disconnect the prop shaft and make sure the transmission is free and all of that. Anyway, so that's the plan for the weekend. Yeah.